Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in one of my classes we ended up talking about cross-cultural communication and about communication breakdowns that can sometimes happen when you're talking to people from different cultural backgrounds. And one of my students said a particularly perceptive thing, I thought. She was basically saying that sometimes when you're talking to people from other countries, it's easy to assume that they're being rude because they seem like they're being rude to you. But actually, they might be being polite within their own frame of cultural reference. Yeah? So in that situation, often what you need to do is just to take a step back and give them the benefit of the doubt. If you give someone the benefit of the doubt, you basically choose to believe something good about them rather than something bad about them when you could do either. So maybe, for example, a student of yours comes up with a crazy sounding excuse for why they haven't done their homework, and you're not totally convinced about the story, but you choose to give them the benefit of the doubt. Or maybe, just as a general principle in life, you try to give people the benefit of the doubt, even though perhaps you're not always sure it's the right thing to do. And once, when I was a kid, I ended up getting a terrible scar on top of my head because me and my brother were skimming stones down by the side of a lake, and the stones were quite wet because it had been raining. And my brother, just as he was about to let go of a stone to skim, he slipped on the wet rocks and lost his grip of one of these stones, and instead of it going into the water, it went flying towards my head and cut a little bit of the top of my head. Now, I'm assuming it wasn't deliberate. He hasn't told me at any other point that he meant to do it, but I'm assuming that it wasn't deliberate, so I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt here. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might give someone the benefit of the doubt.